Now dear students, there is another question almost of same nature. अब हमारा दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी पहले की तरह है, थोड़ा मॉडिफाई है, इसमें मॉडिफिकेशन है. A stone is thrown vertically upwards with initial velocity of 40 meters per second. Using g as acceleration due to gravity or acceleration produced in the stone as 10 meters per second square, find the maximum height reached by the stone when it is thrown vertically upwards. Then what is the total distance covered by the stone and what is the displacement of the stone? There are three calculations: maximum height attained by the stone, total distance covered by the stone, and the displacement of the stone. Now, here the initial velocity u is equal to 40 meters per second. Final velocity, when the stone is thrown upwards, the final velocity will become 0. ये कहीं ना कहीं रुक जाएगी फिर. Then final velocity v is equal to 0. The gravitation A is equal to g is equal to 10 meters per second square. But the stone is thrown upwards, thus the work done is against gravity, so it is taken as negative here. For upward motion, आप लिख भी सकते हैं upward motion. The sign is taken as negative. Then, now using for the calculation of distance, height as s is equal to what? We will use 2as is equal to v square minus u square. वही जो पहले क्वेश्चन में हमने रिलेशन इस्तेमाल की थी, द फेमस रिलेशन ऑफ मोशन, तो यहाँ भी यही करेंगे. हमें देयरफॉर हाइट एज s इज इक्वल टू v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर बाई 2g, क्योंकि a के बदले हम यहाँ g भी लिख सकते हैं. नाउ दिस इज v स्क्वायर 0 स्क्वायर फार्मूला माइनस इंटू u के बदले 40 इंटू 40, देन 2 इंटू g के बदले माइनस 10, which is equal to, therefore again this implies that s is equal to 4 4s are 1600 upon 2 10s are 20. Negative and negative sign cancel out, therefore is equal to 2 0 and 0 cancel, 2 8s are 60, 2 zeros are 0, 80 meters. The height attained by the stone is 80 meters. Now part second, for total distance, it is 2 times 80. एक तो ऊपर जाने के लिए, दूसरा नीचे आने के लिए. हाइट तो सेम रहेगी, उसी हाइट से ऊपर भी जाती है, उसी हाइट से नीचे भी आती है. इट इज 2 इंटू 80 or 80 plus 80, one and the same, is equal to 80 plus 80. Distance covered by upward motion and distance covered by the downward motion is same. 2 80s are 160 meters. This next answer. Now the third part, displacement. As the stone, when released from some height, reaches upwards from some height and again falls back. It reaches upwards and falls back. This means that the initial point and final point of the body are same. Therefore, displacement is equal to 180 into 0. That is equal to, or 80 minus 80 is equal to 0. This is called zero displacement case, because here the initial point of the body and final point of the body are same. Displacement is the distance covered between the initial and final point of the body, which are, we can write it 80 minus 80 or 180 into 0, that is 0. Thus, in nutshell, the height attained by the stone is 80 meters. The total distance covered by the stone 2 times 80, that is 160 meters. And displacement of the stone when released upwards, vertically upwards, it comes back to its original position, and the total distance is 0. Thanks. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, boys.